Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how to draw a New Year e-card in Autodesk Sketchbook. First select a workspace of this size. Then go to the layer panel and create a new layer. After that, from the tool panel, select Draw Style tool and make a vertical rectangle. With the help of the fill tool, fill a rectangle with black color. Then select the transform tool and distort the rectangle like this way. Now select the text tool from the tool panel and type number 20. Select Sans Bold font and white color. Then resize and replace like this. Again select text tool and type number 21. Now repeat the same step as before. Now duplicate the bottom layer and hide the previous layer. After that, select inking pen and transparent brush. Now erase the bottom right corner. Now lock the layer and with the red color and inking pen, draw the turn page area. You can overlap the extended red area with black color. Now go to the tool panel and select the Magic Wand tool. Then click on the red area with Magic Wand tool. After that, go to the layer panel, click on the layer and copy it. Then create a new layer on the top and paste it. Now draw a Christmas cap. For that, select inking pen and red color. Now fill it with a bright red color. For the white part, select the salty watercolor brush and draw the white part by tapping the brush. Now time for shading. For shading, you have to use soft airbrush. We will start shading with the number 20. First lock the layer, select soft airbrush and grey color. Then start shading. Now blend it with smudge flat brush 3. Now repeat the same procedure with the number 21. Now time for the red part. For that you have to use soft airbrush and a darker shade of red. For the shadow part, create a new layer in the bottom and start coloring with soft airbrush and black color. Now go to the layer panel, click on the shadow layer and decrease the opacity level to 80. Erase the extended part with a transparent airbrush. Now repeat the same process in the other area as I have shown. I forgot to shade the Christmas cap, so do the shading like before. First lock the layer and start shading. Now time to add some highlight. For that, first select the inking pen and white color and add highlight to the opposite side of the shadow. Now blending it with smudge flat brush trick. Now add a thin white line with the inking pen. Now time to add some detailing in the background. For that, first select the layer, then add blue color with soft airbrush. Now blending it with smudge flat brush 3. Now add stars in the background with the help of inking pen and a white color.
And draw stars by tapping the brush.
Now come to the final part. For that, go to the tool panel and select the text tool. First type Happy New Year. Select Sans Bold font and white color. Then transform and place it on the top. Your e-card is ready to send. So this is all about my today's tutorial. I hope I could help you. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to know more about Autodesk Sketchbook, please check out my other videos. Thank you.